Okay, I don't know if I should start this video out with a rant or a rave or what. Like seriously, I'm actually kind of pissed, but I'm excited and I need to tell you guys why. This was supposed to launch in Canada on April 6th. What day is it? Seriously, like what day is it? Like this pisses me off, and I honestly don't know if this is a logistics thing with Sephora or if it's a Pat McGrath thing and they didn't want to launch during the Sephora VIB sale, which is going on right now when I'm actually filming this video. So if you guys haven't checked it out, definitely check it out. But this is just one of those things that I'm just like, ugh, cringing. I'm happy, like so excited to finally get this in my hands. So I've got the two shades right here. And this is the lightest shade, and this is the third lightest shade. Why is that? It's because Pat McGrath launched 8 shades in the collection, and honestly, Sephora, again, issues. I love Sephora, I do. I love Sephora a lot, but they only actually carry 5 out of the 8 shades. Why? Again, logistics, who knows, but we've got it right here. Finally. Okay, so this is it. I want to share with you guys the immaculate packaging. So if you are a collector like I am, this is stunning. This is good for 18 months and this is a beautiful product. So I'm just going to take this out and unbox it for you guys. So this is it. This is her like iconic, you know, big palette. This is kind of like exactly the same but miniature. I love this. So we have here Naked Desire and Nude Honey. Naked Desire is a soft golden bronze. And Nude Honey is more of a warm golden bronze. So I'm just going to swatch these for you guys. They're both matte. All of the shades are actually matte. It's a beautiful collection. It's actually Pat's first collection in the bronzer world. So she's really dabbling out there and I'm excited for this. So I really think these are beautiful. These are demi-matte with a pearl finish to them. But it's very matte. Like it's only like a hint. Like we've got the Kosas bronzer that I recently did a video on. It's nothing like that at all. Like these look so matte, but they're incredibly blurring to the point it blows your mind. And I can't wait to try these on and show you guys. To start, I'm going to pick up an IT Cosmetics. This is a Radiance Wand in the number 14. So I'm going to use this. It's very fluffy, so any super fluffy brush to apply your bronzer is going to work for you guys. I've been super loving the Sonia Kayak brushes lately, but they're in my other studio. But honestly, any fluffy brush will do. To start, we're picking up Naked Desire, this soft golden bronze, and I'm just going to apply this to my forehead. Alright, that is a very sheer bronzer. When she says mistake proof, I'm like, wow, okay. That, honestly, I need more pigment. Like, you can really build that up. That is very nice. There's absolutely no scent to this whatsoever. You guys can see, like, the difference. It is very faint, but it's there. It's a beautiful bronzer. So if you're not looking for anything intense, this is going to be amazing for you. It's just giving me, like, a natural glow. I'm going to pick up more product. I'm going to bring it down my hairline here. And then I've got on just a little bit of contour today, no blush, because I really want the bronzer to be the star of this video. I'm just going to pick up some more. And I'm just going to put that right there across my cheekbone. Okay. Honestly, I'm not mad that it's not super pigmented because I'm actually really loving this vibe compared to this side where I've got nothing on my face, just a little bit of contour right there and on my jawline. But I'm living for that. Like, you could really build this up, which I will do after I try on the other color, which again is the third color in the shade range. So this one right here is called Bronze Dawn. It is a more golden bronze tone. So we're going to try this one out. Again, pick up another super fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go in, pick up quite a bit of this product. This is because I know the other side's super sheer, fair, and I'm like, okay, I want to really test this out. So we've got the product. I'm just going to go in, again, do my hairline. Okay, I can totally see a difference. I barely have any on my skin, but this one is looking more of a warmer. It's pulling a little bit more yellow. The other side pulls a little bit more cool. So I'm just picking up more of this product, and I'm just going to keep applying that to my hairline. Yeah, I can totally see a difference. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Again, super stunning, very sheer, totally buildable. this looks phenomenal. I'm like so impressed with the formula. It's blurring, it's micropigmented, it goes on so sheer. It doesn't look dusty or cakey. It's just everything you would expect from her products. Now, what I want to share with you guys is something I totally forgot about, but it is super important. On Pat's website, when you're looking at the product, click on the More button. It will expand a little bit more information about the product, but it will also tell you that this shade, Naked Desire, will also work well when paired with the Sublime Perfection Foundation shades 1 to 5. So if you click on different shades, it will actually tell you which foundation this pairs well with. And I'm like, okay, thank you for that. I appreciate that. That's amazing. That takes all the guesswork out of it. So if you know what foundation you are, then you can easily pick which bronzer you need. Love that. That is amazing. So honestly, that's just one of those things that I'm just happy she went that extra step and did that for everyone, because that's fabulous. I mean, she's fabulous, right? All right, this is amazing. Who is excited for Bridgerton, right? Queen Charlotte, I am on that wait list. I can't wait for that to come out. I actually got an advanced screening ticket through Netflix, and I'm like super excited to see this, and I will update you guys on the makeup as soon as that releases, because like iconic, right? We're definitely watching that. And of course, Pat does a lot of the makeup and supplies a lot of the makeup for that, so I'm just like, yes, I need that in my life. But this is amazing. Okay, so we do have the darker on this side and the lighter one on this side. Which one do you guys prefer on me? I'm actually curious because I run very cool and light, obviously. Like, you know, I've got some blue undertones. Now this one right here with the more warmer side, I'm actually kind of feeling this vibe, right? Like this is super cute, love it. But this is like, it's cool and I love it. And I still look warm. But I don't know, this warmer tone right here with the yellow in it just kind of feels like more my vibe. What do you guys think? I'm actually curious. Let me know what you guys think, because yes, I need to know. I need to know. I appreciate it. I love it when you guys write to me. All right, guys, this is the product right here. I love it. If you're looking to vamp this up a little bit, you could always take the iconic London or the Kosas, something even like the Makeup by Mario bronzer that has a real shimmer to it to kick it up a little bit. So I will show you guys. So I've got it right here. So this is the brand new Kosas. So if you haven't seen that, it's an amazing product. It's a new launch. I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my brush, just a tiny, tiny bit, and I'm just going to highlight right here, right? You guys see the little vibe that's going on right there? You can really like jazz this up if you want to. It's a beautiful matte formula with a slight pearlized pigment in it, but if you really just want to jazz this up, make it a little bit more glam for the evening, this is my tip to you guys. Just take something that has a little bit of pearl in it. Honestly, this is an amazing bronzer. Love this one too, but when layered, phenomenal. Like lights, camera, action. It's just amazing. Love that. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys loved this video. Hit that like button. It really helps your girl out. And definitely subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Alright guys, if you haven't seen this Kosas review right there, check it out. Alright guys, until next time, mwah, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!